Greetings from sunny Springboro, Ohio. Brian from Factory Direct Craft Supply here. And this time of year, one of our most popular items is these weatherproof berry sprays. Item 3512RD on our website. We often get asked, how weatherproof are they? Well, these berry sprays can handle the cold, the rain, direct sunlight. You can even drive over them with your car. Okay, so I didn't think you could actually drive over them with your car, but you can. So there you have it. These berry sprays can handle the cold, they can handle the rain, they can handle the sun, they can even handle a Honda Accord. Not that I would try that, but they can be found on our website, www.factorydirect.craft.com. Let us know if you have any questions. Have a great one.